In your kitchen, you have your own style, and we wouldn't want it any other way. The new COSORI Premium Air Fryer lets you customize and save your own presets so that every dish turns out just the way you like it.
We each have our own way of doing things, especially when it comes to cooking. The new COSORI Premium Air Fryer offers the same intuitive controls, delicious recipes, and healthy.
Hi everyone, I'm Molly Thompson, and today I want to introduce you to the Ninja Foodi 2-basket air fryer. This is the first air fryer with 2 independent cooking baskets, so you can cook 2 things at the exact same time. I'm a busy new mom, and this is a huge time saver for me as I prepare meals for our busy family. This air fryer also offers 6 different cooking functions: air broil, air fry, roast, reheat, dehydrate, and bake. Today we are going to be making chicken thighs and Brussels sprouts using the Smart Finish feature. This feature allows you to cook 2 different things at 2 different times, and they finish at the same time. So you don't have to wait for your Brussels sprouts or your veggies to cook while your chicken is done, or vice versa. Everything is done at the exact same time. I've got my chicken ready to go. It's marinated in honey, Dijon mustard, salt, pepper, and a little bit of olive oil. And here I have some Brussels sprouts tossed in olive oil and salt and pepper. To begin, we're going to place the marinated chicken in the Zone 1 basket, then place the Brussels sprouts in the Zone 2 basket. Turn the air fryer on, and with Zone 1 selected, choose the roast function for the chicken, then set the temperature to 390 degrees Fahrenheit and the time to 27 minutes. Next, select Zone 2 and choose the air fry function for the Brussels sprouts. Set the temp to 400 degrees and then set the time to 20 minutes and choose the Smart Finish function. Once you hit start, the Ninja Foodi 2-basket air fryer is going to intelligently manage your cook times, so it delays the start of the shorter cook time so they both finish together. The unit will beep and activate the other zone when both zones have the same amount of cook time left. For the best results, we recommend shaking or tossing your food often. This recipe calls for the Brussels sprouts to be shaken about halfway through, which is about 10 minutes in. To do this, you're going to select the start or pause button, and in the Smart Finish mode, it's going to pause both. Remove Zone 2 and give it a really good shake. Place it back in and then hit start again. To pause an individual zone while you're cooking, choose either 1 or 2, then select the pause button to pause only that zone. When your food is done cooking, it's time to eat. Being a new mom, life gets kind of crazy, so having something to make dinner easier is awesome. There is nothing like a crispy Brussels sprout from the air fryer, and the chicken is super golden brown and crispy, just the way you want a chicken thigh. Thank you so much for cooking with me today. For more information and other recipes on the Ninja Foodi 2-basket air fryer, head to ninjakitchen.com. it.